Hi guys, we're going to be making a lovely summer board salad. Here we're starting off with chopping up the French beans and blanching them, followed by slicing up these baby aubergines and frying them in a little bit of oil lightly. Whilst these are frying and boiling, we're going to make the dressing. We're going to make two dressings. So start off with some garlic and vinegar, balsamic vinegar, and some olive oil, mustard, salt and pepper. Here we're going to make the second dressing. Now the second dressing is a yogurt dressing with some Sriracha sauce, some dill, garlic powder and salt and black pepper. Remember guys, the ingredients are listed in the comments below, so don't forget to like and comment. Here we're going to start assembling the board with some salad leaves and some chopped colourful capsicum. I am literally using whatever I have in my fridge. So I boiled some green lentils and I am just scattering this over the salad leaves. It gives it a lovely protein touch. You can use whatever you like on this summer garden salad board. So we're just going to layer up all the ingredients one by one and scatter them all over just to make it look all so presentable and pretty. I have some jalapenos here as well, so I'm just going to scatter those, and some cherry tomatoes, followed by some olives. I also have some leftover chicken, so just feel free to use whatever you like. Here I'm just going to drizzle some of that yogurt dressing all over, as well as the other dressing. So you can see me just sprinkling over the lovely chicken, and followed by the other dressing as well, the first dressing that we made. And this is it. This is how simple it is to put together, and it tasted lovely and the kids enjoyed it as well, and I'm sure you will enjoy it as well. So thank you for watching.